This video will be about the filter command. So we have a lot of topo that we're trying to convert. So instead of going through and individually selecting each line, you can run filter, and then you want to go to select filter, and you go to elevation, change it to major to select 10-foot increments in the elevations, and then you can hit apply, select what you want to filter, hit enter. That selected all the 10-foot increment contours, so then you can put that onto your VG Topo Major 10. And then you can turn that layer off. Select everything else since they're 2-foot increments. And then put that on VG Topo Minor 2. Then all your topos converted quickly.